This is out of law. Okay. However, and I will arrest you said within 2 hours. And then, however, nothing. No action has been taken now.
His last legally, but he don't die. Okay. Okay. He recovered in the hospital. So I will not arrest him. No, party to party. That is what I am saying.
According to what you have seen.
There are various
That is what you are saying.
there are various offense, various sections are there. Okay, various sections are there. Whatever ingredients was there in your FIR, that doesn't fulfill that section. I can show you.
It is fulfill it because our party worker is in the GB hospital
I know.
and he is injured badly.
I
He
know.
can die there.
I know.
Even doctor has not given us assurance that he will come back. He will recover soon. He is about to die there. And how comes that terms and conditions to not be arrested, this and that?
There was some condition that you have to arrest for the culprit person.
What you have said is true. If that is there is again law by which police can take action. Suppose, God forbid, there will be a medical report based on that, and then or it will be charge sheet. It is not that the first thing which was instituted will be the final. In course of investigation, anything can happen. If that some more happen, grievous happens, then the case will be accordingly taken. Okay?
Prevention should be there.
Yes. Prevention.
That's why the law is there. That's why law is there. Only you will take it. That's why law is there. What is that? Prevention should be there. That is law.
Till now cannot be because it is not prevented. For that, another side of the report, we have issued 41 notice.
ইনস্ট্রাকশন বুঝাবেন না
41 notice.
ইনস্ট্রাকশন বুঝাবেন না আমাকে আপনাদের দায়িত্ব আছে গতকাল থেকে দেখেছি আপনারা করেন আমাদের বোঝাতে হবে না আমরা গণতান্ত্রিক পদ্ধতিতে করা হচ্ছে এখানে হতেই পারে
This is why because of what you have said last night.
If he is found, appropriate action will be taken accordingly.
What is the
It's only found even the police is way to
I don't believe as please call the GB hospital and
We collect injury reports from GB hospital.
As per the injury report, required section,
আপনার মতো আমার ভাই আছে
there is still, if it is still,
লাভ নাই আর
so please, that is the thing. And what have faith in
what is better?
arrest the culprit.
It's better more than to have argued. If you could have arrest now, yes, we'll release it now. We don't have any problem.
We have no issue. Yes, we have no issue.
In case of just to have argument, no use of having any argument, then arrest first, it will release, problem solved. You have been promises in last night, 12 hours.
First of all, keep him in mind.
What is the promise? Even again now you must promise again 12 hours, and tomorrow again same 12 hours. So it cannot be done like this.
So is for all, we understand. That's why we respect it also. That's why you should do that. See what they have done. In what case you are good arrest?
We don't want to take law in our. That is why we don't do anything. We are majority here. So far, we have to attack them. If they want in this type of cases, then we can face them. We don't have a problem. But we don't want to do in that case. That is why we believe in law. That is why we are planning to arrest them.
That is why
No, so you first of all take them to remind. Then you investigate. First of all, take them to remind. You want to investigate.
So we don't want why whoever culprit we have given but other than this cannot matter.
So far, so good. At least one or two. Whereas the what do you have said? This
Iron power bank satu
আমরা কেউ অফিসে নাই Then don't call. In future, don't make any call to me.
I have not power to take you to jail.
No, no, I am not asking you.
I have not power to take you to jail.
See, when you
Yesterday, my voice only did. একটা আপনাকে ট্রান্সফার করলে তো এটা সলিউশন আমার একটা যুক্তি আছে স্যার আমার একটা যুক্তি আছে এই সময় রামপদ জামা তারা বললেও আমরা যদি আমরা যদি
Sir, then what happened at meeting was different, but this is another case. See, this is one, the patient is already hospitalized, this is under it is only patient, sir. Please don't want me to say that. No accident, nothing serious happened.
My vehicle was broken.
No, that's another
was sheltered on my
That was
helmet.
another case. What happened? What happened?
Give us
What had happened yesterday? It was light.
yesterday morning. We are running all over. We don't have even time to sit with the paper.
See, last night, well, what? See, according to what you have assured, you said that you didn't confirm, you said that we have peacefully cooperated peacefully.
Why we have to make a problem making while going back on the way?
What they did yesterday was attempt to murder. However, now it's attempt is committed.
Whatever problem you had to do it now, you will do our work.
And yesterday again you have said that this is very unlawful. And they are doing unlawful, but they still never confirm from here and here. Without any
They attempted to murder.
we can't tolerate this such thing. We can't tolerate this such thing.
We are time to hold this. We are on 8 p.m. here.
Sekarang sampai marimu sini media spokesperson media songrongno ini जों अरन रोड ब्लकेट खालामनायनि कारनखा जे मियावो इनसिडेन्ट नों माने अरन मियावो डिपुटेसन चलै दं माने आबनो जों सिरिं पाइरिखा पाइमान जागुलो बरंनो किफिलपुरो असमसा ब्र पर्सनल भाबे अटैक खालायगासिनो बीजेपी नि गुन्डा बाहायनि सं ओमफ्राय आबनो तियै जों मिया हरो कैसा रैली खालायखा आबनति पुलिस रक तामसागा स्लोगान खालायपुरो पुलिस रक सागा जों आ काल्प्रेसन अरेस्ट खालायनाय जोंनो क्लियरली विदिन 12 आवर्स एश्योरेंस क्लियरली रिखा ब्रक काल्प्रेसन रमै खुंनाय फिया borok aboti khlailia 12 hours into the increase into 24 hours a porjonto si borok bono culprit no romako abon bagai जों abono maniyangai police ni je assurance rimani abono mani ngai borok je recog rimani abono fulfill khlaini bagai singo tesa abo root block ma khlai chini patient chini tabuk tongo durbolongjak physically pura bini horrible condition tabuk GBO refer khlaijak inkatai ko ekjona 7 jona tongko borokai ompiwo treatment thangai hospital treatment khlai abo ke minor but serious condition ka GBO tabu refer khlaijak dong bini ekdom horrible condition jing abono kunu guarantee rimaya bo thangnai da thiyada thinai da thangnai da jing guarantee rimaya assurance kemai abo
haike kok to mani bisingti khanaka norokni je mia block deputation ni poreo norokni tipra mothani adong rok no sekang khadul khitaru hani haike oborok o kokte kothmarole besuk jati kabai
abo totally fake abo borok judisi chin promoterok borok BJP songno opposition party songno borok attack khlaike borok romthong police rok jingmana khlaiable culprit is culprit je borok phanungthong tam promoter tam BJP team tam CPM culprit mane romdi jing abono kunu mana khlaia haifane jing borok group krini bagai abo false statement rito abo totally false statement
haike tabuk norok ni naimung tamo
ha
norok ni naimung tamo
jingnayo miawo chini borok rokno personally attack khlai mane abono should be arrested tai jing kunu naya oro jing violence khainan bathangya oro jing peace no maintain khlainen nayo until the culprit got arrest jing oro okonai dongnai
haike norok ni obahai bikhom misil khaijagi bo hor kothok bikhom misil khaijagi bo haike ba khaduma misil khaijagi bo tabasuk jora obahai police naima thangni bisingti mungsa step rom jagya obahai rokno tile norok busuk jora ti choba karak thangnai
acha hambai obobo tabuk porjonto miya fornisimi borok police rok jingna assurance khlaimani obo totally tabuk phano one step phani initiative nayako step nayako abon bagai jing borong u police ni borok je insurance rimani mani yangai borok fulfill khlaiyani bagai jing obo ma khlaio
haike norok obahai tabuk culprit rokno khorok busukno romnani bagai obahai FIR khaika
miyawo tongo 6% culprit tongo jing application mention khlaijak aborongno romdi bas jing kebono fake babe jing borongno innocent borongno romdi bin saya judicial culprit rongno simi romthö rompai mani jagulo jing obono peace no maintain khlainai bas ayasa jing choba cholinai hambai slogan repeat slogan de
oke sudah semana sini Oh, karo ya. Mana mau kasih kuliah? Enggak. Enggak kuliah. Tahu nih kamera. Beri konsep lo teman kalau semua. Kalau lama kasih krom saya ini itu karena kalau lama kasih lagi krom teman mau dia ini. देखो हॉस्पिटल हॉस्पिटल 보통 알아 아마똥 그러지 먹고 자가 tôi căng quá thiệt đấy 하긴 전적으로